Zebedee brackets are designed to top fix to the ceiling and are angled to push against the rails so that the weight is supported. They are also shaped to fit back to back so the rails can be fitted in a run to cover wider distances. The brackets protrude about 10 cm from the ceiling, so when measuring in an alcove, allow for the brackets and a screwdriver and measure downwards from there. Zebedee rails are high capacity, with a 900mm holding around 34 coat hangers, an 800, 30, a 726, a 600, 22 and a 500mm 18 hangers. You can also double up on slim items like t-shirts and dresses, so a 900mm would hold 50-ish with ease. If your rail is on your left, it is generally easier to hook upwards, whereas if your rail is on your right, it is easier to hook downwards.